In this video, I will show you how to do SEO in Odoo. So what we can do right here is we can head over first to our website, and then from in there, you should be able to see these options. So we have in here our e-commerce, we have some options, and in here we have the reporting for analytics. You can head over right here to our analytics option, and in here you can click onto this go to website in order to see and load in here the actual analytics for our website. Now, if you're having some troubles with your analytics right here, you can see it filter right here and you can see the report for that. If you see that your analytics is quite low, that means your SEO is not working. So in order to actually solve this, what we can do is we can head over right here to the configuration and click on apps. Then from in there, you can head over and search in here for SEO and look for any application that may help you right here. However, if it actually doesn't have it, you can head over and then search for other options that will allow or that will show in here this application. If you don't have it yet, you can install some other applications that will help you using this particular option.